petition to the Senate by President of Chokaa concerning illegal demolition of the house by Kenya Power and Lightning Company in Chokaa, Miango area. Mr. Speaker, pursuant to Standing Order 232(1)B, I hereby present to the Senate a petition submitted by residents of Chokaa, Miango area who are citizens of Kenya, citizen of the Republic of Kenya, and resident of Nairobi County. As you are aware, under Article 119, Section 1 of the Constitution, I quote, every person has a right to a petition Parliament to consider any matters within its authority, including enacting, amending, repealing any legislation. Mr. Speaker, the silence issue raised in this petition are as follows: that on 19th April 2019, Kenya Power and Lightning demolished houses in Chokaa, Mihango area of Embakasi East constituency and argues that the houses were in the Power Way Leave corridor. Mr. Speaker, that through multi-sectorial agency, consultative committee comprised of NEMA, KURA, NCA, WRA, Nairobi, Kplc, Kenya Railways, Nairobi City County Government, National Police Services, KAA, NYS, NDMU, and other agencies, Kplc demolished homes of residents and therefore subjecting them to emotional torture, stress, ridicule, and embarrassment. Mr. Speaker, that despite the President, His Excellency Uhuru Kenyatta, suspend the notice of demolition, which was due on 24 December 2018, Kplc ignored the presidential order and proceed to demolish the properties. That the residents were the legal properties of the residents were the legal properties of the plot at Injiru Mihango of Kagundu Road in Nairobi County. At no point did the Kplc communicated with the residents to resolve any issues of claimed encroachment to the Power Way Leave corridor. Mr. Speaker, as a result of illegal demolitions, nearly 500 families were rendered homeless, with children forced to close schools earlier because their schools and the residents has been destroyed. Some residents also lost their livelihood since their business has been demolished. It is also worthy noting that one of the residents committed suicide as a result of frustration, trauma, and shock created by illegal demolitions. Mr. Speaker, that after completing a due diligence search at the survey of Kenya, the homeowners determined that Kplc did not possess the dispute land. As a result, demolitions were carried out in bad faith, in violation of the residents' the fundamental right to housing and in contraventions of the country's Vision 2020-2030 of affordable housing. Mr. Speaker, that following demolitions, Kplc beconed the area, which was afterthought and complete violation of enacted regulations. The disputed plot has since remained vacant, with possibility of being sold to the third party to the pursuit of demolition victims who have experienced emotional losses and emotional torments, worry, and disgrace. Mr. Speaker, the issue presented in this petition has been raised with relevant bodies but have not been adequately addressed. Mr. Speaker, none of the issues raised in these petitions are pending before any court of law, constitutionally, or any other legal body. Mr. Speaker, consequently, the petitioners pray that Senate investigate this matter with a view of ensuring that the victims are resettled and adequately compensated by Kplc. Thank you.
Honorable Senators, I will allow Senator Wakili Sigei to present his petition. Thereafter, I will allow